Hi, good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to our 15-minute a day Merry Mathematics. Same thing, before we continue on the video, please make sure that you have the worksheet set D in front of you. Today, we are going into one of the more harder method of solving word problems, which is called set. Now, I'm going to make it a little easier for you by explaining to you what sets mean. And I'm going to use an example of something that we are all familiar with, which in this case is McDonald's. Just to make all of you hungry a little, but there are some mathematics behind this story. Now, what you see in front of you is a screen made up of three things each. Right? I have got Coke, which is 3 cups of it. I have got fries, which is 3 sets. Okay, I see 3 fries there. And you also see 3 burgers over there. Right? Now, if I tell you that the Coke is $1. So if you look at the screen, I'm going to label all the Coke as $1, $1, and $1. Now, and I tell you the next thing, the fries. All of you love fries, isn't it? The fries is going to get more expensive. The fries is $2, $2, and $2. And of course, the burger has got to be the most expensive one because it's made out of meat and other stuff. So the burger is $3, $3, and $3. Now, if you buy them in McDonald's, you will often hear the person asking, "Would you want it to be in a set, extra value meal?" So if it is being grouped together like this, a meal is usually made up of a drink, a fries, and a burger. So if you can do a mental sum for me, you will find that this set that I've just circled is a total of 1 plus $2 plus $3, which is equals to $6. Okay, same thing. The set in the middle is also $6. And the third set that you see is also $6. Now you must be thinking, how is this related to mathematics? I'm going to give you one example. Okay, now the example goes like this. Now let's say Mr. Lee is really hungry and wants to buy with $36. And I want to buy the set that I told you just now. So my question would be, how many set of those extra value meal do you think I'm able to buy? Now remember just now we said that one whole set like this costs $6. Right? So the first set I will have to pay $6. The second set I will have to buy another $6. That's 12 altogether. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now if your times table is really good, you might be able to already tell me how many sets I can buy with 36. Right? 36 divided by $6 gives me 6 sets of it. Okay, 6 times 6 is 36. So you can see from here, what I have just done is a little bit of mathematics using this thing called sets. Okay, with 36, I divide it by, each set is $6. I know that Mr. Lee can buy up to 6 sets of this. Of course, I cannot finish all 6 sets. Probably I'll give 1 set to my mom, 1 set to my neighbor, and so on. Okay, but that's how the idea of sets comes about. Now, if you are ready, then we are going into our worksheet again. And we're going to see how this thing works for page 18. So can you turn to page 18 now, everybody? Let's turn to page 18 of our math skills practice. Now, page 18, math skill practice. We are going to exactly see how set is being used. Now, in this picture, all right, I'm going to skip directly to our first question on donut. Now, in this, you see that the pictures are not in your worksheet, and that's okay. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to draw, because of course using the computer is easy, but getting you to draw can be very different, right? So I'll draw with you along the way. So now don't worry if you are not a good artist, you can't draw very well, because I do not need you to actually really draw a real donut or a real cupcake. So let's read the story first. We have got a donut that costs $2 and a cupcake that costs $3. So Carrie bought some donuts and cupcakes and she paid $30. So what the story is really telling us is this. All right, now let's start using our pen and pencils. Get ready. What is really happening is this, okay? This shop sells a donut. Now, donut, I'm going to put it with the letter D, because I'm bad at drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm not even going to draw. But if you think you would like to draw it, sure, why not? Okay, D for donut. And also a cupcake, that is C. So if you would like to draw the cupcake, you can also draw it. Right, now, why do I box up? Because all this is in a set. Remember, like our McDonald's, you have a set of Coke, you have a set of fries, and you have a set of burger. Now for this, the story is you have a set of donut and cupcake. Now, donut, to us, we know that this donut in this story is $2. So let's write the number $2 on top. And for cupcake, it is a total of $3 for each cupcake. Right, now, my question first. How much do you think it will take to buy this set alone? It will be $5. Do you know how I get my 5? Because 2 plus 3 is equals to $5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a total below. So this whole box is a total of $5. Now, she bought more than just one set. She definitely bought a lot, and it will be very silly if you are continuing going to draw the number of boxes, because you will have to draw so many times. So let's not do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask all of you to just draw dots like this to show that each dot, all right, represents a number of set, but don't know how many set. And the total that she paid was $30. So you can imagine in your head, one set $5, the second set another $5, the third set is another $5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. We are trying to see how many sets she can buy with $30. So do you think you know the answer in your head? And what we can do? All right, so we know that the total is $30. Now, if each set is $5, we are going to do a division to see how many sets you can buy with $30. So if you are good with your times table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is a total of how many sets? 6. Okay, now 6 means what? This person bought 6 cupcakes and 6 donuts, isn't it? Right, because it comes in a set. So this person bought 6 cupcakes, bought 6 donuts. So the question is asking how many cupcakes The answer will be 6 because since you bought 6 sets, right? Of course, there must be 6 cupcakes in there in total. Right? So that is how set works. Alright, now, same thing as usual. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get all of you to look at question number 2. Question number 2, I will need you to do it on your own. But as usual, I would love to help you with the drawing. Okay, now you have a mass, that means how heavy, mass talks about how heavy. You have a marble that is 6 grams, very, very light. You have an eraser that is 3 grams. So when you put them together, it forms one set. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw out one set of it. Okay, so remember what I said, if you're not good at drawing, you can just show it with the letter marble and an eraser. Now the marble is 6 grams, so I'm going to write 6 below. And the eraser is 3 grams, even lighter. So my question will be, in this set of marble and eraser, what is the total mass? It is 9, right? Do you know how I got 9? Because 6 plus 3 gives me 9. Now this person has a few sets of this, right? Of marble and eraser. Don't know how many set is that. Okay, we don't know. So we put the dot, 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 dot. But we know that the total, how heavy? It's 117. So the question is basically asking how many sets of erasers are there. So 99999999999 all the way until 117. How do we find how many sets there are? So what I'm going to do is same thing. I will leave you to do this on your own. And you are going to find out this answer for me. And let's see if you are able to arrive at my final answer after doing all the workings for me. The answer, 13. Alright, now with that, I'm not going to have any Merry Mathematics for the last day tomorrow. Please do use the day to catch up on these 3 pages of work that I've given on Monday, Tuesday, and today. 3 pages. Alright, with that, I'll see all of you back in school on Monday.